Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you another section in number math of SSAT. Today we're going to learn about fraction. Fraction, in the previous video we learned about how to understand a fraction, how to better know the fraction, how to reduce the fraction. In this video I'm going to show you two types of fraction. First one, improper fraction and mixed number. Let's move on to improper fraction. Improper fractions are fractions that have the numerator bigger than the denominator. So 10 is the numerator. The improper fraction always have the numerator bigger than the denominator. So yes, remember that always the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And then in the previous one, we actually learned that fraction is just a divide calculation. Fraction means we take the numerator, divide to the denominator. And in this one, the numerator is bigger, so we take 10 divided by 2. So in this one, we take 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. And 5 is bigger than 1. Always remember that improper fraction are always bigger than 1. They can be either 2, 3, 4, 5, or even higher. The improper fraction also conclude the mixed number. What is mixed number? Mixed number are number that have fraction, proper fraction actually, and a number. So instead of writing 10 over 2, I can just write 1 over a proper 1 and a proper fraction. So a mixed number is a proper fraction, plus a whole number. So yes, a proper fraction plus a whole number. So the mixed number always greater than 1. Because that we can change the improper fraction into a mixed number. I will talk about that in the next section, but let's look at some example of mixed number. First one we have, I think 3 and 4 over 8, or 2 over 4. Always remember that in the fraction part, always write proper fraction. Fraction that are less than 1, because if you write improper fraction, that will be incorrect. Let's look at another example. I think, well, 2 and 6 over 4, I guess. Or 2 and 3 over 2. Something like that. And you must remember that all of these have the connection to each other. In fraction, you must learn all of the parts of it. If you miss one, you won't be understand. So stay tuned in the next section. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number and the next mixed number into improper fraction. By understanding what is improper fraction and mixed number, SSAT test also require you to convert them. I'm going to teach you how to convert it in this video. First, we have improper fraction to mixed number. Let's take an example. Like 10/8 is a good number. And then, the first step you must think about is take 10 divided by 8 because fraction is like a divide calculation. So we take 10 divided by 8. Oh, 10 is not a factor of 8, isn't it? Let's take 10 divided by 8. 8 to 10 is 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So we take the remainder, it's 2, and put it as a numerator and 8 as a denominator. Please remember that we always have to keep the denominator. We just change the numerator. The denominator always has to be the same. So 10 to 8 is 1. So we must write 1 in front of 2/8. So the final answer must be 1 and 2/8. You have one part, and 1 is a whole number, 2/8 is a fraction. And then, if it asks you to simplify it, you can do like this: 1 and 1/4. This is also correct. Both of these are correct, but remember, if they ask you to simplify it, please simplify it. And then in the next part, we have to convert mixed number to improper fraction. We just do the opposite things. We have 1 and 2/8 right here. First, we must take the whole number and times with the denominator 1 times 8. Like 1 times 8 times with the denominator right here. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. And then plus the numerator. Please remember, times the denominator and plus the numerator. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. And then the next thing you must do is put 10 as a numerator and 8 as a denominator. Always remember that we should not touch the denominator because we should keep it and it will be our final answer. So the final answer is 10/8, which means 10 is a numerator and 8 is a denominator, which means 10 divided by 8. So you know the rules of converting mixed number to improper fraction. First, you must take the whole number times to the denominator and plus the numerator, and you have the fraction. And improper fraction to mixed number, you must divide the numerator to the denominator and then keep the denominator, and then you got it. Take the remainder as a numerator, keep 8 as a denominator, and take the result that we have as a whole number. Did you understand the lesson? Today we learned 2 things about fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number, and how to convert them. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share, and please give me a subscribe to watch daily videos about SSAT lesson. Thanks for your watching.